Hey, YouTube. Welcome back, guys. And then happy Saturday. Anyway, sorry about I was on vacation for a couple of days, so I'm finally come back. Today I have another DIY tutorial for you guys to check it out. These are my wife's pumps and then high heel sandal. Anyway, she just showed me that this is from the Mac Studio, this pair. Supposed to be pretty sturdy and stuff like that, but unfortunately there was some defective or on this side they have this nail. It's almost like a hook. Once you go in it shouldn't come out, but unfortunately it just come apart right away. Okay, so today I'm gonna attempt to fix this. And this is another pair from 9 West. But she didn't want this pair anymore. As you can see, it is all cracked on the materials. And right here is kind of, I don't know, it didn't glue right or whatever. But look at this one. I don't want to dirty the carpet, but as you can see, it is open. Somehow the glue got separated. I'm not sure if whoever made these shoes didn't put the glue properly or whatever. Seems like there's more glue on one side than compared to the other side. But anyway, I got this Epoxy putty, EP200, that I got this from I think it was from Home Depot or Lowe's, but anyway, you can find this epoxy for only like a couple bucks. And it works with steel, wood, aluminum, PVC, fiberglass, copper, ceramic, and more. You won't believe it. I use this epoxy to fix my main pipe water leak, and it, knock on wood, it works pretty well so far. So I'm going to use this the same epoxy to fix this pair right here. Since my wife doesn't want this pair anymore, so we're just going to toss this. I don't want to waste any more of the epoxy that she's not going to wear. Just going to end up throwing to the trash. So let's go ahead and focus on this pair. Oh yeah, I also use this to patch up the hole for my towel hanger in the restroom, in my bathroom, for the powder room downstairs. Because somehow we drill the hole and it become bigger and bigger. So I finally used this and it was hardened like a cement, so it won't move anymore. Okay. I can get this thing out. So you wrap in there like a paper wrap, and then inside it you got this plastic. I'm surprised that after all this year it is still soft. So you gotta be careful, it's very sticky. And if you want, you can wear glue, but I will try to mix it really well and then wash my hand right away, because you don't want to have this chemical stick it on your finger too long, because it's epoxy. So as you can see, in the middle section is like a black and outer layer is gray. You want to have a good mix of this rubber. You get measured amount anyway, so so not too much, since this is just a small hole. I wonder if I need to glue around the leather area and the wood so it'd be more sturdier. So yeah, I'll probably do that. So So you just wanna, they say like cut it, or I'm gonna use this as a cutter to cut it. Okay, like that small amount. So you want to go ahead and then mix it right away. And once you get that kind of a little bit hardened, you want to put it on the shoes or whatever material that you try to fix. Okay, and just be careful. Just want to keep on rubbing it. I think I might have got too much. You kind of smell a little bit. Try not to get it in between your fingers, nails. And once you put this on, you want to let it sit 24 hours or up to 72 hours, okay? Oh my God. Just get a good mix there. And just take a chunk of it, or and put it here. Let me see if I try to stuff in there a little bit. Okay, I'm just going to patch it like that. And let it sit. Since I got this leftover and then I'm already mixed it already, but you want to make sure your whatever that you're gluing, it is clean. So I'm just going to put some right here just for demonstration. So whenever you come back, see if it's going to glue tight or whatever. But I haven't cleaned this. I just want to give it a little rub real quick. Because if you have a glue or leftover, you're supposed to clean it. Give it a good clean before you glue this down. But I'm going to put some here. Some over here right now, just to test for you guys. So it's kind of coming up. You might want to have like some kind of clamp to climb it. I'm just gonna have this sit down on top of it, so it won't flap up. All right, so we'll be back to see the result on this one. Hopefully it's not gonna come apart anymore. So be back, guys. Hey, YouTube. So we are back. So I let it sit for about 24 hours, and then I had to cut some of the glue out because when I glue it down, the glue kind of stick out a little bit. So I guess apparently the glue wasn't dry yet, so it allows me to cut it off. So today we're going to do some demonstration and then let my wife try the shoes on. Hopefully this one's not going to come apart. Because I'm not sure if I put the glue all the way inside to where the nails goes in at. Hopefully it did. And this was the one that it was flat open, but I only put like a little strip of glue on each side of it. I didn't put a whole bunch of it because my wife did not want these shoes anymore, so I'm just do this for demonstration purpose. So since the glue is glued onto the leather, I don't think it's gonna work that well, because the leather tends to tear apart like this. So we're just gonna let her try them on and then see if it's gonna last or not. So I'm just gonna wait for her to paint her beautiful nail, and then we will be back. Okay. Broken.